I like things more than people because they don't talk back. The only reason I don't hold grudges against other people is because it affects my skin. I would rather jump into the ocean than be with you. All of you. She's bold, she's iconic, and she is glamorous. We are talking about none other than Shalini Pasi. She is seen on Fabulous Life of Bollywood Wives, the new season especially, and she's a Delhiite like myself. So, in today's video, we will be talking about 5 takeaways that we can learn from Shalini herself. She is the diva. She gives us so much inspiration, and she being the diva, we can learn so much from her. But in today's video, I will be talking about 5 takeaways from Shalini's personality. Point number 1, Shalini is your true inspiration for art and decor. Now, we all know that Shalini holds a strong passion for art and decor. She loves decorating. She's art concierge herself. So she loves, to be surrounded by art and creativity. And that's where we have to take inspiration from. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम exact अपने घर को पिकासो ही बना के रहेंगे, but at the same time there is a scope of doing so much within your own space as well. So for instance, मैंने ये और वो और छोटे छोटे और घर में corners बनाए हुए हैं where I feel like I have decorated myself, and like I've given some small portion of my creativity to that area. So you can actually either DIY, you can buy it from flea thrift markets or Amazon. Amazon से best और कुछ है नहीं. Obviously you can create such beautiful corners and then romanticize your life. Point number 2, you have to be fresh and bold in terms of your styling. Let me explain that to you. Did you notice that I am wearing bold hoops and my favorite bracelets today? That is only because I love Shalini's jewelry collection. She's a bold diva herself. She loves carrying jewelry, and that too statement pieces. She doesn't shy away at all, and that's what our inspiration is. From her ponytails to pony accessories to her earrings, dresses, everything is super iconic. And as she says, I like things more than people because they don't talk back. वो दिखता है. So that's what we have to take inspiration from. That is our second lesson. Honestly, this is a reminder for us that styling and fashion is a form of self-love and self-expression, and that's what we have to practice. To be very honest, I found this love for jewelry in 2022, और उसके बाद से I just feel so much like myself. I feel like I'm me. I feel so much seen. Like I just feel like I own my own space. I want you guys also to feel that too. And when you keep constantly, change your jewelry, your clothing, your styling, small things add so much value to your own self-love. One thing that I specifically love about Shalini is that she loves to practice her passion, whether it's art, whether it's writing, whether it's philanthropy, whether it's cooking, singing. She just loves to practice all of her passion, and she doesn't shy away at all. And there is no limit to it. You don't have to measure your passion with some meter, whether it's success meter or some other whatsoever. But it's all about being you, being what makes you feel happy. And it's those small honestly, it's that small habits or small efforts that makes you. I don't know why my tongue is fumbling so much. Shalini loves to embrace her connections. You have to notice this despite anything, like चाहे उसका mood off हो चाहे कुछ हो, but she makes it a point that she holds that connection with everybody. Through subtle ways, she tries कि किसी के साथ रिलेशन खराब ना हो. That's what our lesson is, that we have to maintain our network. And honestly, networking isn't about going to certain fancy parties. It could also mean that you are being quite active on LinkedIn, or just being with your own tribe. और honestly ये tribe सिर्फ 2 लोगों की भी हो सकती है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके 10 friends ही हों. Because I personally myself have a very small circle. Like there are certain things जो हम अपने parents के साथ discuss नहीं कर सकते, जो हम कई बार अपने partners के साथ भी discuss नहीं कर सकते, and that is what we share it with our friends. That certain bond और हंसी मजाक और वो कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं जो you can only share with your friends. I mean कुछ लोग ज़्यादा lucky होते हैं जो अपने partners के साथ भी share करते हैं, but we'll not talk about that as of now. But yep. One last point that I cannot miss about Shalini is Shalini loves to celebrate life as a luxury. So I feel like she reminds us that luxury is a mindset. So like how she decorates her plate, she takes a moment to sip in her tea, or like takes a moment to enjoy every single moment. That is exactly how we need to enjoy our life, and not like बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट पेस नहीं होना है. यू हैव टू एन्जॉय लिटिल मोमेंट्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली टाइम कब निकल जाता है यू डोंट इवन रियलाइज दैट. And that's what Shalini is teaching us all. We have to be very mindful of what and how we are doing, and we have to celebrate that moment. चाहे कोई बहुत ही बेसिक हो, चाहे कितना भी आपके घर में हो, या चाहे आपकी लाइफ कोई बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफाई नहीं हो रखी हो. After seeing the show, this video was the first thing that came to my mind, and how this woman has literally given so much lessons to us. She is giving inspiration everywhere, every day, and if you listen to her interviews, she's doing so well, and I just love that lady. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Do let me know your favorite point about Shalini. And with that, let's wrap this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My IG handle is Anshu Bohit. Very simple. I'll also mention it here somewhere. So I'll see you next time. Bye.